everyone, it's Rocky. I hope you guys are doing okay economically, physically, mentally, spiritually with this craziness that's going on in this world. Just absolutely crazy. I do have a few questions for you. Do you remember back in 2010 when Bitcoin was just introduced and a coin was selling for under 8 cents? And now it is worth over $9,000 per coin? Well, guess what? The opportunity is knocking again. You have a second chance for it. And a second chance for earning money with Visa, too. Backed by Visa, insured by Lloyd's of London. You want more information? Just private message me or put your information in on a link somewhere below this video. Remember, I have to have your best email and your phone number. Okay, put that information in now.